Oh. Oh, Brady's so fun. Kenny, I'm gonna hit him. We have no loot. He's dead. Well. Nani? I know, they're sweaty. Oh my god, yeah, they're editing. Oh my god, they're like coding.
That's a kick.
Help! I'm so dead. Oh my god, he stole my ball! Dead! I'll take his... Stop shooting. No, I'm dead. Kenny, come and run. Yes, good. We make the done. I've got a chunk cannon. Same. Oh my god, this is actually decently hard. Really? You like me crazy? Oh! He beat me! He got me low. I'm really low. I'm only 85 HP. Yeah, I've got it.